Hey guys, welcome back to Fix Life. Today we are working on my roommate's mom's vacuum, and I guess he brought it home because she said when she would hit the power button it just wasn't turning on. So this actually pushes on another button. Had to like completely take the whole thing apart to get to that switch, but it's just a little, basically what you would call a micro switch, and I've got the cover off. This slides over and this little button sticks out the top, and it goes down, clicks, and comes back up. And this, let me get you guys a better angle. Basically this little bar in the middle connects these two. So power comes in, and then when you kick the red thing with your foot, it pushes down on this, it lets the power flow back out through the other side. And that goes to this motor here. So you have these two terminals, and this is how those go into that switch. So you've got neutral that goes straight into the motor, so it always has neutral. And then this is the hot leg. I don't see a ground. Nope, no ground, just two wires, and you can see where the cord comes into the vacuum right here, and it's a long cord. But anyway, that's as simple as it is. Just power comes into one side of the switch, and then when you kick it, it flows out, turns on the motor, and the vacuum works. Okay, so I put a little white mark on it because this only sets in there one direction. And then I need to get this spring back in here. Might be able to do that. There we go. Okay, now this is the tricky part. This spring, there's a little tit right there. And you gotta kind of hold that in place, and then there's another little tit right in the middle there, and it has to go over the other end of this spring. Gotta squeeze this really hard. Okay, so like that. Oh my gosh, I think I got it. And then, please go on there. Okay. I think that might be it. Let me get the alligator clips. We'll test it with the meter here. Okay. Okay, so I have my meter right here. I'm gonna push down. Ah! It's working. Okay, so that is awesome. Let me see if I can get this cover on now. There we go. Now, just needs to click in. Okay, cool. Let me test it one more time. Awesome. That was the problem. So when we took it apart originally, I was cleaning the little contacts off with this pick down inside there, that little teeter-totter looking thing. I guess it was just dirty. The contacts were dirty, so it wasn't making a connection. So took it apart, cleaned it, and getting it back together was the hard part. So now we got to get all of these pieces back together. So let me do that, and then we'll test it out. Took forever. We'll plug it in and just turn it on and see. Hopefully it doesn't jump out of the thing, but I want to test it before putting it completely back together. Okay, it works. Well, this is the only leftover part I have. It's just a little cloth. I think it might be like a little air filter for something, but I can't remember I know I say it all the time, guys, but usually when something breaks that has a lot of pieces to it, it's usually just one piece out of the whole machine that causes the issue. So if you can take it apart, figure out, troubleshoot it to figure out what the issue is, and then just fix that small thing, then you've fixed the whole machine. So many times people will throw away an entire, vacuum or a dishwasher or a washer or a dryer, stuff like that, because it needs a $5 part. So it's a big waste and it costs people a lot of money every year. So, and for something like this, if I didn't fix it, it was already broke anyway. So there's no harm in taking it apart. Even if you can't get it back together or something, you should still try. So that's my opinion anyways. All right, guys, remember, if it's got parts, you can probably fix it. Thank you for watching. We'll see you soon. Take care.